What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing some lead work on Big Bertha. I'm leaving it in bare metal. We're not going to paint it, so we decided to go with the lead. That way it kind of matches the bare metal look. If you're needing to fix dents, it's always quicker and easier to do Bondo, but you know, that's not for everybody. We're trying to be a little different. We want to do some lead work. So, the kit I got is a Eastwood lead worker starter kit. Comes with tinning butter, comes with towel, comes with some lead, comes with some vials. The only thing and then wooden handles. The only thing you need to buy is some copper Scotch-Brites. What you do with that is you dip that in the tinning butter, and that's how you get your lead to stick, but I'll show you that here in a second. They call this lead body solder. It's actually not lead, it's mostly all solder. They also have lead that's 70-30, 70% lead, 30% solder. Either way, it's not nearly as toxic as the lead used to be in the 50s. You still need to respect it, you still need to wear a mask, you need to have a fan moving air, and you know, normal precautions, gloves and stuff like that. But as you can tell, I'm holding it and I haven't died yet. So we're good. Let's keep going. First thing we have to do is we have to make sure this is very, very clean. Now let's start heating it up. Clean it with baking soda and water. Do it while it's still hot. Coated with our towel, I think it is, however you say it. Let's get some leading, baby. Wash it again. There is our basics into leading. I'm still kind of a newbie at it, so Definitely kind of handle the verticals a little bit better than I thought. Obviously the hardest thing is when you're doing it, you know, on something vertical, horizontal, whatever. The curves are kind of tricky, but they're not bad. But when you get up to here where it's just flat stuff, you can just dump it in there and then smooth it out, which is a lot easier. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that shit they tell you to do at the end of videos. And check out some more of my other videos. Peace.